Hi, I'm Dhira Lekhi.
Hi, I'm Khurram and we are the co-founders of Parinay Sutra. So we have been doing weddings in castles, we have been doing weddings in beaches, in forests. This is, I think, what is our forte lies in.
Hi, my name is Haider Ali. I've been working for Tivoli Royal Court Okhla from last 3 years. We have executed weddings, anniversaries, birthdays, cocktails and corporate function as well in Tivoli Okhla.
What we have noticed is a lot of young couples have come into, taken the charge of the planning part. Of course, there's a challenge that they do not have enough time. Digital space actually allows us to do an entire show round virtually.
The whole thing is the whole planning time has come down because of these online tools. It really gives you the liberty and the options, get all what you require in a very limited time as well.
Before, people used to go to individual properties. Now there is virtual tour available of any property. So it's very easy to categorize venue as per your budget, as per your location. Online research has become very easy nowadays.
We were looking at different kind of ways to expand our business. And during my research, Wedding Wire India, it sort of stuck out with the kind of reviews they had, the kind of business plan they had. I think it has been close to 4 years that we have been using Wedding Wire. It helped us to take away the time which we were spending on all the queries. That was the biggest takeaway, I would say. The direct business generation, it really helped to a good extent.
It's just so convenient. I get the message, you can just click on it. You can revert, whether have you reverted on the query, is it pending, what is the status of the query. I can keep a track of all the weddings that I have closed, are pending, are there leads. I can also put in review to the leads that I have received.
Other thing which stood out for Wedding Wire India is that they have always been very forthcoming in taking the feedback from us, for providing us better client details in a much more,
streamlined format.
manner.
There is a format. We can just reach out to their customer care or the client servicing manager appointed to us, and they client. So it's quite user friendly, and the tech support is amazing.
It's almost been more than 3 years since we are a partner with Wedding Wire India. I came to know about Wedding Wire India through the social media only. Being into the industry, I know this is all about trust and transparency. It's very easy to reach to our customer and very easy for customer as well to reach us. Everybody is free to write a review. Very easy to share their experience, either that is good or bad. I came to know about our competitor as well through the portal. If you'll not be aware what our competitor are providing to our customer, it's not easy to stay in the market.
They should be open to finding out new ideas and the new ways of expanding their businesses. So the more we have the business online, the more it is helpful for us to go into the different aspects of getting the clients.
This is the only platform how you can easily increase your lead flow. This is how you can reach to the multiple customers. Of course, I'll suggest to be active on wedding technology platform. शादी का बिजनेस बढ़ाओ,
Wedding Wire India ऐप का बटन दबाओ.